Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to take you along as I clean up my kitchen and tidy up my main floor. I have about 30 minutes to do this, so I will be setting my timer. And it is nap time right now. I had prepped my dinner already. Some of it is cooking, and I just want to clean up everything so that way we only have dinner dishes to worry about after. And I want to tidy up my main floor so that way it's clean, ready just to run the vacuum at the end of the day. So I'm going to start my timer at 30 minutes and see how much I get done.
sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine.
So I am done just as the alarm's going off. Over here I just have stuff left that needs to go on a table and my portable little office caddy thing, so that's gonna go away at the end of the night. And the timer is done. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I'm a little out of breath. And just to show you, you know, whatever time you have, just use it wisely, and little bits of cleaning every day, every morning, afternoon, evening will get you that much closer to having a clean home all the time. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.